Economic factors affecting productivity. In this module, you'll learn about the economic factors that affect productivity. Productivity refers to the total output or yield of a land with respect to the resources utilized. The two economic factors that affect productivity are demand and capital. Let's first learn about demand. Demand refers to the willingness or desire for that product by the people at a certain price and time. If the price is high, the demand will be low, whereas if the price is low, the demand would be high. An increase in demand for food will encourage food producers to increase their productivity. To understand how demand affects productivity, let's look at an example. In the late 17th century, there was a great demand for coffee in Europe. To meet this demand, the Dutch introduced coffee production in India and Indonesia. Within a short period of time, these countries became the leading suppliers of coffee to Europe. In modern times, coffee has become one of the most popular drinks taken by people worldwide. According to National Geographic, every working day, 4 new coffee outlets are opened somewhere in the world and employ about 200 employees. Due to the high demand of coffee, a large number of nations have taken up coffee production in a big way. ID21, a research organization, states that in 2006, about 106,000 kilometers of land was under coffee production. Next, you'll learn about the second economic factor affecting productivity. Capital, which is the second economic factor affecting productivity, refers to the money needed to start, maintain, or expand production. In agriculture, capital is required to purchase resources like machines, seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides, as well as to pay for day-to-day operations of a farm. All these resources help in improving the productivity of the farm. Let's look at an example. Fertilizers help in improving the nutrients quality of the soil. This helps in the healthy growth of plants, thereby increasing productivity. A significant amount of capital is also needed to increase productivity in the field of commercial fishing. For example, expensive equipment like sound navigation and ranging or sonar are used to detect the exact presence of schools of fish. This enables fishermen to increase their catch, thereby increasing productivity. Another area in which capital is being invested is in the field of research and development. Of late, many food production companies are investing a large amount of capital in research and development to increase productivity. How does research and development help in increasing productivity? Research and development leads to new inventions and discoveries, which would help farmers to cope with problems like droughts in a better way. The farmers would also be able to improve productivity by using better quality of fertilizers and pesticides, and by employing better irrigation methods. In this module, you've learned the following. Productivity refers to the total output of a food in comparison with the resources used to produce it. Two major economic factors affecting productivity are demand and capital. Demand refers to the willingness or desire for that product by people at a certain price and time. Demand largely depends upon the price of the product. An increase in demand for food will encourage food producers to increase their productivity. Capital refers to the money needed to start, maintain, or expand production. Increase in capital investment for various areas of food production results in increased productivity.